Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download InvEdits for MacBook for Minecraft. So what you're going to do first is go to Safari and type this link in. It's called github.com/downloads. So when you go to this website, it's going to auto-download. See, it's going to auto-download the app. So I'm just going to cancel that because I already got it. So what you're gonna do is open this app inside Job. You'll find it in the download thing. There it is. Wait. Oh, there it is. So what you're gonna do is go on it, choose a world, and inventory edit. You go diamond. What the hell? And then yeah, take whatever you want. I'm gonna put this, some weapons, and pickaxe. Oh, I got that. Axe, hoe, and some armor. And then now I'm gonna prove to you guys that it actually works. So yeah, now you gotta save this file, and then quit this thing. And go to your world, and voila, there you go, got everything. See? Oh, there. Thanks for watching guys. Rate, comment, subscribe.